Assalamualaikum. Today I will show you in this tutorial how to create this painting on the wall. Before we start, if you don't subscribe my channel, please subscribe my channel and click bell icon to receive any new tutorial, and don't forget to like and share. So let's start. Okay guys, I create this sample design. Okay, this is just one room. I create this window and door, okay, and keep this furniture here. Okay, so I need here a painting. Okay, so what I do, first of all, I click on this components, okay, model in place, and I select the wall, okay, and wall 1. Okay, so I click on this set, okay, pick a plane, okay, and I click this base of the wall. Okay, now I click the extrusion and select the rectangular, and I create like this. Okay, so I click on finish. So this is you can change from here extrusion end, and this also manually you can adjust like this. Okay, so I do like this and finish model. Okay, so now I create this sweep, okay, a little design. Okay, so I go to, I click on this and edit in place. Okay, create and click on sweep. Okay, and sketch path. So first of all I set and pick up plan. Okay, now I draw the line. This is sketch path. Okay, okay, and finish. Now I edit the profile. Now I draw here profile. Any profile you, is depend on you. Okay, and click on finish, again finish. So this is now create the frame for painting. Okay, so I click on this and by category, so I click on this. Okay, and I select the this color. Okay, so now see this is, and I select this one and by category, so I click here this. Okay, any you know how to add the material. Okay, you create the new material and apply, just I apply this one. Okay, now I click finish. Okay, so now I need to add here a painting. Okay, so and any picture you want to. Okay, so I go to this insert, and this is the decal. Okay, so I click on decal and decal type. Okay, so I load this picture. This is my Lumion render car. Okay, so you click in this one and go to any place you have any picture. Okay, so this is picture, and open like this, and okay, so now this decal, click on this. Okay, so now you can move this one here. Okay, so the one thing, now this is all the same, big and small, so the size. Okay, so if you click this lock property uncheck, so now this one you can adjust here and here like this. So you can adjust like this. It's better to you create the measurement before create your prime design and picture. So this is just idea to how to add the painting and like this. It's good. I hope you I hope you like this tutorial. Thank you for watching.